front of me is a OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style. Now scroll again, this time to click on Icons section available here. Finally, scroll one more time and manage this slider under Icon to adjust size of them. You can check out Preview at the top. When you finished, make sure to hit Apply button in order to save your changes. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!